For static subtraction with the golden beads, no exchanges, no regrouping, we start with the minuend at the top and we will pull the subtrahend down. We'll take the subtrahend away from the amount that we have. I've made the subtrahend in the numeral cards, so we know how much we need to take away. We need to take 4 away from this 6. So I'm pulling that 4 down, I'm taking it away, and I'm building the subtrahend at the bottom. 110 taken away, take away 100, take away 1000. And now the answer, called the difference, is what is left over. For a dynamic subtraction equation, we will make an exchange from the units place into the tens place. You can see we have 2 in our minuend, and our subtrahend tells us to take away 5. And we don't have enough, but we can go to the next place. We have a group of 10 that we can ungroup and exchange for 10 loose units. So we will do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have enough, and we can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's our subtrahend of 5. And we have 2, 4, 6, 7 left over.